Hello and welcome back to POSAdvisors tutorial series for EncorePOS. My name is Billy, and today we'll be looking at the Item Edit utility. This utility gives you the ability to make any number of edits to product records in an easy spreadsheet layout. You can make individual, random edits, or edit the same field for a list of items at once. This is a step up from the blanket edits in the Group Edit feature in EncorePOS. Starting from the EncorePOS login screen, log on to the dashboard. Click the Utilities tab, scroll over Inventory, and select the Item Edit utility. We'll get started here by selecting what items need editing in the Product Selection window. If you'd like to go by a specific brand or description, type them into these boxes here. Leave them marked as any if you'd like to sort by different criteria. For vendor, department or type, or size, use these drop-down menus. Clicking here will allow you to choose items from your entire inventory database. Hold the Control key to select multiple items. Click this trash can icon to deselect any items you've currently selected. Use the search function here to find items. When you have the items you'd like to edit, click the X here to close this window and return to the previous screen. The Revise button here allows you to reopen that window and make different selections. Once you've chosen the items you need to edit, it's time to specify what fields you'd like to change on those items. This can be done by checking these boxes here. Now that I've specified what I'd like to change in both selection windows, I'll hit Submit to run the utility. To make changes, click on a field on any item, type in the change, and hit Enter. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move up or down between items. If you'd like to make the same change to other items, click on the next item and click the Repeat Last button on the top here. If you made a change by mistake, click the Undo Last button here. When you're finished editing, click the X at the top here to save your edits and go back to the selection screen, where you can make different edits, or click this X here to return to the Utilities tab. Note the changes are made to your EncorePOS database as you press Enter, so it's always a good idea to do a backup before making a lot of changes. That's it for this video today. Let us know what you thought by leaving a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest and greatest from POSAdvisors. We'll have our website link and our support number all in the description under this video, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.